Welcome back, guys. So, this particular day, I woke up and I was on my way to catch my bus to work, and the insane amount of snow made me pull out my camera. So, that's the footage that you guys are currently seeing.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ah, there's so much of snow everywhere. It's literally been snowing all night. Oh, this is so much of snow. It looks so pretty. There's like huge mounds of cleared snow from the surroundings. So last night it was pretty heavy, I suppose. You can see how the snow clearing machines are constantly clearing out snow. So yeah, we're having a proper winter this year.
The previous night, there was a 90% chance of snow all throughout the night, and I believe that came true because the amount of snow on floor was able to justify that, and the fact that even the snow clearing people, they couldn't get to it because usually in the mornings all places are usually cleared of snow, but the fact that they were not able to get it moved by the time I was out was something out of my mind. Like, but I was enjoying it, that's for sure. It was amazing, I loved it. This video would have the last traces of snow shown because as I'm editing it, temperatures are above 0 degrees Celsius and it's already looking a lot more like spring. So these are the final footages of winter.
At this insane amount of snow that we have. Unfortunately, I can't even see the steps. There's supposed to be steps in here, and I don't know where to put my feet on. Let's give it a try. So, okay, found the first step, found the second step, found the third step. Okay, found the fourth step, found the fifth step. Okay, so there's no more steps. Oh. Look at this. It's crazy. Oh, my hands are freezing.
Looking at this video clip now, I kind of can imagine the surface of moon due to the snow dunes that we have from the wind blowing. So as I was saying, this is the last and final video for winter that I can give it to you guys. By now the temperatures are pretty high and I do not have any more snow on the floor to film and complain about. Spring is already here and it feels so nice. So you guys will have to enjoy and cherish this, as this is the only scenes of snow that we get to see for this year now. This is the next morning and I wanted to show you guys how there was frost over trees and plants, just like how the Christmas trees, the fake ones that we get to buy. And that completes my video for winter, and now on to my first work anniversary.
18th of March 2020 is a very special day in my life because that is the day, my very first day when I started working, and my aspiration for aviation has been with me since my childhood and I never let go of it. I should also speak about my parents, because aviation is not something which is very accessible to everyone, and having no legacy or no people to guide me through this field, I don't know how my parents let me chase my dreams. So yeah, dad and mom and Neha, they've always been there with me, and they've always only encouraged me to take up what I wanted but never discouraged me. So yeah, and finally I guess Estonia is the place where I got my wings to get through my aviation dreams, first through magnetic MRO, and then by my placement and my first job here at the Estonian Aviation Academy. Feels so surreal, like sometimes I cannot even believe that I am working, and because I'm surrounded by students, I really don't feel that I am working as a lecturer here. So yeah, anyways, it's been 1 year since I've joined, and it is very important for me. This milestone is important. It might not sound very great to others, but then it is very important for me. And to celebrate this joy, I have my own cute little donuts. So you guys are going to witness me celebrate my first anniversary. We're currently in a lockdown, so no one's in here in the office, it's just me. So yeah, I'm having my own small private little celebration, and then I have my class to go. So yeah.